Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can leave a group that you joined on Roblox. Okay, so the process is very straightforward and simple. So once you've logged into your Roblox account, and this will work on both mobile and desktop, I'm just showing you on the desktop as that's the easiest. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the left hand side here and click these three horizontal stripes, and then you want to go to your profile, the second option. Once you're on your profile, you want to scroll down till you get to your groups. So you can see I'm in this specific group. All you need to do is tap on it and enter the group. Once you're in the group, you might find it difficult to try and leave the group, but it's very simple. Come to the top with the title of the group and you'll see it's small here, but it's three horizontal dots. Tap on the three horizontal dots, and then you can see it says leave group. So I'll tap on leave group, and it says, are you sure you want to leave the group? Just tap on yes. And now I have left the group. If I go back to my profile, I should then no longer be in that group. So let's just have a look and see. So now you can see it disappeared from our profile. So I successfully left the group. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.